Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are comparing Mattermost versus Slack, two popular team collaboration tools to help you decide which one is right for you or your team. So let's start with Slack. Now, Slack is a polished, user-friendly communication platform designed mainly for businesses and professional teams. It's known for its clean interface, easy messaging, file sharing, calls, and emoji reactions that make teamwork feel fast and modern. Slack is very easy to get started with, but one downside is that heavy usage can lead to notification overload if you don't manage your settings properly. But it's powerful, but it works best when organized well. Now, let's talk about Mattermost. Now, Mattermost is an open source alternative that focuses heavily on data privacy, customization, and self hosting. This makes it a great choice for teams that want full control over their data or need to run their own servers. Mattermost also supports plugins, custom configurations, and even offline access. While it's not as visually polished as Slack, it's far more flexible and often more budget friendly, especially for technical teams. So, what's the bottom line here? Well, if you want something simple, polished, and easy for teams to adapt, well, Slack is the better choice for you. But if you care more about privacy, customization, and self hosting, Mattermost is the stronger option. And that's a comparison between Mattermost and Slack. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.